Hey guys, so today we'll look at question number 226 on LeetCode. It's inverting a binary tree. So you are given a binary tree and basically you need to output a tree which would look similar to what a mirror would show for the given binary tree. So the right subtree becomes the left subtree for the root, and the left subtree becomes the right subtree for the root, and this is for every node in the tree, right? So for example, if you are given just three nodes such that 4, 2, and 7 are, so basically you might probably want to do is right equals to root dot right, left equals to root dot left. So you've taken them into a variable and then reassigning them so that you swap those two. Root dot right equals to left and root dot left equals to right. Now in Python we can do this in one line also. So I'll just write it in one line. Okay, so here you have swapped the children's of a particular node. So you have swapped 2 and 7 respectively. But you would have also wanted the subtrees of 2 and 7 to also be inverted, right? So basically you need to do this recursively, right? So what I'll do is I'll just make a small function which I'll call recursively and send a node in there. So if the node or the root is none, I'll just return none because there is no point in looking at the right and the left children of those none node. Return none. And if not, I have swapped right and left, but I also need to invert the subtrees. So I'll just call invert on my left root dot left, and I'll also call invert on root dot right. Okay, and I'll just return root here. Okay, and I'll just, for the overall function, when I'll call invert tree with a root, I need to invert the function invert, my sub function, and I'll supply the main root and this function. Okay, so let's try this and run this program. Okay, let's try to submit it. This is fairly okay question. Now if you see the description of the question, uh, there's a twist to this that this problem was inspired by someone called Max Howell, who probably interviewed at Google and was asked this question. And he was actually who coded Homebrew, a very popular installation system on Mac OS. So it's interesting trivia. I hope you like this video. It's a small video today. Uh, keep liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Please comment below if you want any help for any particular problem. Thank you so much. Bye.